R. Hi, people of the internet! So, I wanted to share with you something that I discovered while trying something. So, I use often the ChromeCast and other software to cast my video on my laptop to my TV. And I know there's this thing here. It won't work now, but normally it's supposed to work and it sends to your TV. I mean, to your Chromecast. That's what I'm using right now. But there's the problem. On the TV, you can't really avoid the ads if you really like. The only way you're supposed to be able to get off the ads is by paying the forfeit or whatever you can call it. So I discovered like a way around it, and it's some piece of software, and there's like this thing called straw viewer that allow you like to basically use YouTube from the command line. So yeah, it's pretty cool on the laptop. You can just watch video. I mean, I only use it because I want to play music, and then I put this in the background, and I can't play music while doing something else and not needing the interface of YouTube open, and it's using less memory than like your browser open. So yeah, I use that. But then there's the other things that sometimes I don't wear it set, and I'm like, I could just do that on my TV because I have a sound system with it. So I was like, is there a way to cast music to your TV with the Chromecast? And after that, there's another thing called Stream to Chromecast that allow you to do what I just said. So basically, you just send you can play URL. That's how we will do this thing. So you can play MP4 or MP3. So what should we do with this? So there's two software that can make one thing together. Like if you embrig them together, you can get something. So that's what we're supposed to do. Oh, wrong way. Yeah, so if I wanted to play this, I'm just gonna copy the URL and also going on this thing here, and I'm just gonna pass it here. And since my Chromecast, my TV is not open, it will work, but not really. You see here, that's the. I mean, I don't know how it's possible, but the software is recognizing my thing. So what could we? How one should do that? But here's the thing: if you play it like that, you will end up in a bad situation since the content that you send through this format, your Chromecast will not recognize it, and you will end up with a black screen, and you're like, oh no, black screen. I mean, black screen. It's not really black, but it's like you see the music player, but there's no music playing in either video. But all right, so what you need to do is you gotta do something like that, and then you gotta pass an argument like -n, and with that it will only take the video content of the stream from YouTube. So with that, you will only have the music, and I think for me it doesn't really matter anyway. So yeah, so with that said, how do you hook up that thing? And also there's another thing that if you don't want to always do the .n, is when you launch when you launch it, you want to pass the argument before. So with that said, when you pass it like that, you can search for stuff, but I often just pass the link of the YouTube straight up there, because it doesn't. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, and it's annoying. And also, there's a why I'm using this one and the other one, because like there's two piece of software. Another one is called cat, and like if I do that, it will cast the audio to my to my Chromecast. And the reason that I don't do that is that cat doesn't have a doesn't he has a missing feature that it won't um, it won't protect the straw viewer from trying to launch a new video if you have a playlist. And when you don't have a playlist, that's not what you're looking for. So yeah, if you don't have a playlist working, it's yeah. I use the other one for that reason. And for the background stuff, you want to oh yeah, so you want to go in configuration. I don't know on Windows because I'm not on Windows. So you go in the config, like your dot config, and then you go in Straw Viewer or YouTube Viewer. They're basically the same thing, but one you have to put your own API key, and I did not want to do that this time because I did before. So and then you go in the configuration edit. So you want to go there, and you want to change. You want to figure out where is your file, your program are in your in your bin. If it's named like that, you will be like that, and you want to pass the same argument as if you were the MPV. And is there anything special here? Yeah, for the stream Chromecast to actually play, you gotta pass the play URL as an argument. Other way, it won't really work. Apart from that, I did the same thing for a cat, but like as I said before, if you only use the cat, you will end up with not really working. It will work, but only for one video at a time. You can just pass your playlist in there and just do something else, not care about it. And there's a way around it in the setting of the straw viewer, that every time there's a new video, like it will not stop, but it will allow you to press enter, just as a backup measure. So with that said, if you pass those arguments inside your configuration here, it will supposed to work. And also, you want to put your viewer, your stream to Chromecast like that. So if you put, I would put MPV there, it will not play as this. And also, there's another thing that if you want to mess to see if your it could play sound and video at the same time, you will cache this. You will put this here in MP4, so that your if you have FFmpeg on your system, it will convert it to a content that is readable through your TV. Because apparently this it's supposed to work with the Chromecast, but from what I read in the straw viewer, it would say it's not always working. Dash MP4 audio. Yeah, that's pretty much it. With all those things together, you will have a a TV that it's sending the music that you send from your computer. But also, if you were only to use the other thing, just the stream to cast, you could potentially, if you only use the other one, you could just do a stream to Chromecast. If you do that, you have all the setting there. But also, you can put a transcode like that and have the link of a video on a streaming website. And maybe if you have the correct link of just the video and not the full website, you could potentially just like stream from the internet through your TV. But also, there's other things that you can consider. Is it like that? Because is transcode? I haven't seen if transcode is only from content like file. If you can pass the transcode as a link of a file, that's where I stop digging. And yeah, you have to when you first launch stream to Chromecast, you want to see on your network if it pick up your Chromecast. If it doesn't, well, just make the Chromecast list and pick it up there, and then you're ready to roll on the interweb, you know. All right, that's pretty much it about this video tutorial, and pretty much, yeah, have a great time listening to YouTube on your TV without the ads. See ya later.